Why is Earth in such a coincidental position? Is Earth truly unique in the universe? After watching the following video, you might feel that Earth seems to have been meticulously designed. As we know, Earth is the only known planet with life. First and foremost, Earth is located within the habitable zone of the solar system, at just the right distance from the Sun. If it were closer, the planet's surface temperature would be too high, causing water to evaporate into gas and making it difficult to form liquid water. Take Venus, for example, because it is closer to the Sun. Its surface temperature is extremely high and not suitable for life. If Earth were farther away, the surface temperature would be too low, causing water to freeze, which is also unfavorable for the origin and development of life. Mars, although it may have once had liquid water, is farther from the Sun and colder, making it difficult for liquid water to exist long-term. Earth's position allows it to maintain a moderate surface temperature that can support the existence of liquid water, thus, in the entire solar system. Only here is suitable for the emergence of life. Additionally, in terms of location, Earth is in the outskirts of the Milky Way, away from the high radiation and strong gravitational dangers at the galactic center. The cosmic environment here is relatively stable, reducing the likelihood of Earth being threatened by high-energy particle radiation and supernova explosions, providing a relatively safe place for the emergence of life. Not only that, but Earth also has the protection of its atmosphere. It can regulate temperature, retain heat on the surface, block harmful ultraviolet rays and cosmic rays from the Sun, and even defend against small meteorite impacts from outer space. Speaking of impacts, we must mention that in the solar system, Earth has two bodyguards, Jupiter and the Moon. Jupiter, the largest of the 8 planets in mass and 1,300 times the volume of Earth, has a strong gravitational pull that can intercept many celestial bodies entering the solar system. One of the biggest threats to Earth is large meteorite impacts. In 1994, comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, carrying nearly 20 celestial bodies lined up, successively struck Jupiter's equator. Experts analyzed that if these meteorites had hit Earth, it would have triggered another mass extinction event for life on Earth. And if some celestial bodies evade Jupiter's gravity, Earth still has a line of defense, the Moon. Although the Moon is not as massive as Earth, it can block medium-sized meteorites. Just look at the craters on the far side of the Moon to see how many attacks from space it has deflected for Earth. Earth also has a rich composition, with water, oxygen, land, a variety of organic compounds, and resources. It is the only planet with tectonic plate movements. It seems to have everything. With all these coincidences together, doesn't it feel like our Earth is really special, enjoying the universe's VIP treatment? Was it really designed by a creator to provide an ideal living environment for life on Earth? In fact, when we expand our perspective to the entire Milky Way and even the whole universe, the answer is different. As we all know, there are about 100 to 400 billion stars in our Milky Way, and around these stars, there are at least 10 million Earth-like planets suitable for nurturing life. In the observable universe, which has a diameter of 93 billion light-years, humans have discovered more than 100 billion galaxies, with the number of stars far exceeding the total amount of sand on Earth. In reality, our Earth is not special in the universe. It is just an ordinary rocky planet among billions of stars. Since Earth has evolved human civilization, it is theoretically possible that other extraterrestrial civilizations have evolved elsewhere in the universe. In fact, our search for extraterrestrial life or habitable planets has always been based on Earth itself, defining the habitable zone and habitable planets according to the standards suitable for human habitation. However, this Earth-centric approach may have certain limitations. The universe is so vast that the forms of life may far exceed our imagination. Perhaps on those planets that seem unsuitable for human habitation, there are extraterrestrial lives evolving in completely different ways. We should not be limited to the environment and conditions we are familiar with, but should broaden our thinking and explore more unique environments that may nurture life.